Hello, now we're going to take a look at the pie chart template at SharePoint dashboards.com. This is a charting template you can use with SharePoint data and SharePoint Online. And this lets you take totals that you would have from a list and display that as a pie chart. In order to use this template, you do need to have a single list record that has totals for your columns. In this case, I have totals for a list based on status. So I've got reported, complete, canceled, in progress, and on hold. I also have all tickets, which is just a total of all these. I don't want to use that as part of my pie chart wedges. So this is what your data should look like. Once you've got your list record set up like that, you're ready to apply the template. When you first look at the pie chart template, you'll notice that there are 10 different theme options. These are pre-configured settings just to give you an idea of different looks that you might come up with for your own pie chart. You can come up with your own configuration using all the various settings, so you can play around with that and make adjustments until you get things to look however you want. But I do recommend that you start by checking out those different theme options. The next thing I need to do is put in those field names. So if you recall, I had 5 different field names and I have to put those in order for this template to work. So we have reported, complete, and canceled. And then I've also got in progress and on hold. Now it's going to show me a preview based on sample data in my view. So I can go with that or choose different options. You can do a gradient background, or you can do just a solid color background. So I'm going to change the canvas background color. I'm clicking on that color swatch and we'll just go for light yellow. And every time I make those updates, it'll refresh the view. There is a note down here in the instructions that says that you can reference the title field from your SharePoint list. So that's used for the chart title. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And in order to do that option, you got to put in that in a particular way. If I just type letters otherwise, it's going to just explicitly put that in there. Whoops, I put it in the wrong field. I meant to do that in chart title. So right now it just says my chart. I'm replacing that with title. That will be replaced once that goes in SharePoint. So once you have all these settings configured to look how you want, you can then go ahead and copy the template, just follow the instructions and hit OK. Then you just go into SharePoint and click on the View selector, Format Current View, Advanced Mode, and then replace that code with the code that's in your clipboard. So I hit Save, and there's my chart. Now, once that's in there, you may want to do a little bit of fine tuning to tweak the appearance. And so you can go back and forth to do that. So if I want to tweak some of this, I can just go back over to my template builder, and maybe I'm looking at this and I want to do a different background color. So I'd say, I think that would look better with light blue. I can change any of these settings to make adjustments on that. And then let's go for a different line color. So let's see what that looks like with a black line color. Okay, so you can see I can just make little adjustments like that and just click on copy template, hit OK, and then I just come over here and just replace that code with the updated code and click save, and then you'll see it's just going to copy over to that window. Now this template is part of the charting templates. There are 22 charting templates, and this does require a paid subscription, which starts at $29 per month for user. That will give you access to all of the SharePoint dashboards.com templates. As of this video, there are 102 templates. If you're new to this tool and you just want to get started, there are 20 free templates you can try. You can do a free sign up and do the free templates. Hope that helps, and I hope you're able to tap into this and do some nice looking pie charts in your SharePoint online sites. Good luck.